Hi guys, it's a beautiful girl Pauline. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for the love, for the support. Please continue supporting me, continue supporting a young talent. Oh my god. Thank you so much for your love and support. So today we were doing cooking with me. So I was cooking some chicken stew with spinach. The spinach you will see at the end of the video. Uh-huh. So I was teaching how to cook. Mtu asikuache because you don't know how to cook. Let them leave you because of something, anything else, but not cooking, my love. Cooking, that's something else. Hiyo hufai kuachwa nayo. So that's my chicken. Sishangai ni tuwili. We were only two, my sister and I. Yeah. So that's our ingredient. We don't use so many spices or what. So that's my tomatoes, my onions. We have some garlic there and some uh hoho. What do we call hoho in English? Capsicum, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. So I was trying to show you there the ingredients. Then the onions were done. Kuna yule msee watu wanajua kupika huko nje anakuambia onions done, tomatoes done, capsicum done, and yani msee wa done. So there I was cutting my tomatoes, my onions, sorry. I was cutting my onions and my capsicum, pilipili hoho, to prepare some, like, guys, if you stay at the end of the video you'll see the food. It was amazingly yummy, and you should try that recipe. So there I was cutting my tomatoes, I was prepping my onions, sorry, my bad. Then that's my sufuria. Yeah. We don't use, bado tujafika huko kwa non-stick, but we'll stay. Tutafika. Life is a step by step process. So that's my sufuria. I was waiting for ile maji issue. Then we put our cooking oil. You shall see. So guys, there after tumeka tomato, then we nikaeka chumvi. We don't use so many spices because wengine wetu tuko na ulcers na vidonda vya tumbo. So get ready, get ready, get ready. The moment of truth is here. The moment we have all been waiting for. Some trumpets, some drums. Look at the highlights. Look at the food. Look at the food. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Look at the food. Amazing. Nani hangetaka to eat that? Look at that. Oil to its yani level, perfect level. So hiyo ni spinach. So I was telling you that we were cooking some spinach and chicken soup. Thank you.